Cardano cost fundamentally equivalent to $0.3866 a coin, which truly is very huge. The present exchange cost range, 0.3799-0.3902, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 0.3825, or so they truly thought. The change generally was plus 0.0041, plus 1.07%, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Converse rate, USD to ADA, which by and large is genuinely critical. Cardano value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future in-month Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $0.38, fundamentally most extreme 0.41, especially least 0.35, which by and large is genuinely huge. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.37, kind of greatest 0.40, least 0.34, or so they thought. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.37, most certainly greatest 0.40, by and large least 0.34 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.38, by and large greatest 0.41, essentially least 0.35, which for the most part is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $0.38, really most extreme 0.41, fundamentally least 0.35, or so they thought. In multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $0.37, truly most extreme 0.40, kind of least 0.34 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.36, most certainly greatest 0.39, fundamentally least 0.33, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.38, sort of greatest 0.41, truly least 0.35, which generally is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.38, lovely most extreme 0.41, kind of least 0.35, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Cardano figure on Friday, April 21, cost $0.39, really most extreme 0.42, exceptionally least 0.36 in a by and large huge manner. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $0.42, genuinely greatest 0.45, genuinely least 0.39, which generally is genuinely huge. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.41, genuinely most extreme 0.44, especially least 0.38 in an especially significant way. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.42, certainly most extreme 0.45, by and large least 0.39 in a very enormous manner. Cardano figure on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.41, most extreme 0.44, least 0.38, showing how Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.38, in every practical sense, greatest 0.41, least 0.35 in an exceptionally enormous way. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost $0.40, kind of greatest 0.43, least 0.37, which is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, May 1, cost $0.41, most certainly greatest 0.44, genuinely least 0.38, exhibiting how Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.37, lovely most extreme 0.40, exceptionally least 0.34. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.40, certainly most extreme 0.43, sort of least 0.37 in an unpretentious way. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.45, most extreme 0.48, essentially least 0.42. Genuinely further appearance how Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.45, sort of greatest 0.48, fundamentally least 0.42 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.43, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.46, essentially least 0.40, or so they in every practical sense, thought. Cardano gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $0.44, greatest 0.47, especially least 0.41 in a fundamentally significant way. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $0.42, fundamentally greatest 0.45, kind of least 0.39 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.45, truly most extreme 0.48, especially least 0.42 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ADA conversion standard equivalent to 2.5867 coins per $1 in a for the most part significant manner. Today, S reach 2.5628 minus 2.6323 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby 2.6144 in an extremely enormous way. Change for now 0.0277, 1.06%. USD to ADA cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which basically is very huge. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Monday, April 10, cost 2.632 coins. Certainly greatest 2.857, least 2.439, which for the most part is very huge. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 2.703 coins. For the most part greatest 2.941, genuinely least 2.500 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost 2.703 coins. Genuinely greatest 2.941, exceptionally least 2.500, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to ADA forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost 2.632 coins. Truly most extreme 2.857, lovely least 2.439, showing how Cardano cost fundamentally equivalent to $0.3866 a coin, or so they really thought. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Friday, April 14, cost 2.632 coins, especially most extreme 2.857, sort of least 2.439 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week USD to ADA forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 2.703 coins, sort of most extreme 2.941, lovely least 2.500 in an especially huge way. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 2.778 coins, essentially greatest 3.030, really least 2.564, which generally is very huge. USD to ADA expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 2.632 coins, exceptionally greatest 2.857, certainly least 2.439, showing that Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.37, beautiful greatest 0.40, most certainly least 0.34, which generally is very huge. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost 2.632 coins, truly greatest 2.857, sort of least 2.439, showing that USD to ADA forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost 2.632 coins, genuinely most extreme 2.857, really least 2.439, exhibiting how Cardano value sort of equivalent to $0.3866 a coin in a genuinely enormous manner. USD to ADA forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 2.564 coins, beautiful greatest 2.